Do is align it with the motherboard mounting holes, and we should be good to go. Now we're gonna mount our motherboard using these holes right here. Now looking at these three that will potentially our fan, we're gonna hook up our CPU cooler. It says on the instructions on the motherboard that the middle, the gray, is the CPU cooler. So that's where we're gonna hook it on. So pretty much you're just gonna align this part right here like so, and then you're just gonna push it down. This is what it should look like once it's all done. So different cables from the case will fit actually on the motherboard perfectly. This blue one right here would fit right in there, and that's the only spot it'll go. There it is. Here's another one. Just fits perfectly. And personally, I don't really know